I want to tell you about this program out there called the Georgia Dream Peach Advantage Program. For people in Georgia, you've probably heard of Georgia Dream before, and that it's just for FHA, it's for lower income and everything. All that's changed. Georgia Dream has many new programs, not that we're going to go over all those today, but they have a lot of new programs. But the one we're going to talk about today is the Georgia Dream Peach Advantage Loan Program. So basically, this is where it's different. First of all, this is a conventional loan program. So it's not FHA, it's not VA, it's not USDA. This is just a conventional loan program. Where this is going to help you is that most of the time you cannot get down payment assistance on conventional loans, but they've identified a problem in the industry where there's a lot of first time buyers and move up buyers that need to buy properties that don't qualify for FHA or VA financing. The best example are condos. So where you had to worry about getting spot approvals for condos for VA or FHA or anything like that, you can use this to purchase a condo in all of Georgia or a property that doesn't meet FHA financing, and use it to get down payment assistance. You still have to have the 640 median credit score, which isn't a lot. You still have to get an approved eligible findings from Fannie Mae or Freddie Mac. The loan will give you 2.5% to 5%, a maximum up to 12,500 for down payment or closing cost assistance. So this gives you a broad eligibility for home buyers. You have a higher price range. Participation of homebuyer education course, yes, it is required. You will have to take a class. You can take an 8-hour in-person class, or you can do an 8-hour online course. Most people prefer to do the online course. It's low to moderate income, but higher limits than the standard Georgia Dream. So you can go up to higher price limits where before you were limited to like 300, 325 in certain areas. You can go up to 400,000 and buy a condo or a property that only meets conventional guidelines. The other things you want to know about, it's open to first and repeat home buyers. Again, you do not have to be a first-time home buyer to use this program. This is a conventional down payment assistance program open to first and repeat home buyers. So as long as it's going to be your primary home, as long as you don't own another home, you'll meet the and you have a 640 and you get an automated approval, you'll meet the requirements. What you got to do is call me, get approved. Not all lenders are approved. Just because the bank is approved doesn't mean that the mortgage loan originator is approved, but I'm approved. If you have any questions or you want to apply, call me 404-461-3172 or reggieloans.com. Bye.